What's up, everybody? So today I'm going to be installing the B58TU pump on my 2019 440i. I feel like there's a lot of installation videos, so I'm not going to show that part, but I will be flashing it with MHD Stage 2 Plus on 93. I already am running it on Stage 2 with 93, but I feel like there's not like a lot of videos on reactions from Stage 2 to Stage 2 Plus for 93. So I'm going to be doing that because I'm curious, and I really don't want to be looking for you every time I drive. If that was the case, then I'll do a flex fuel kit in the future, but for now, we're just going to be doing 93, so stick around, and I'll see you guys once the installation is done. Alright guys, so we're going to get ready to flash Stage 2 Plus. So, upgraded high pressure fuel pump required, upgraded downpipes recommended, got that, 93 octane. Alright, Stage 2, high pressure fuel pump. Just make sure. Options, I'm going to try to keep it simple. Aftermarket downpipe, remove limiter, increase iDrive power torque gauges, disable start stop, overrun BRAP OEM, verbal. Let's see here. I think I usually turn it up a tiny bit. 0.6, 0.8, minimum 1000 max. Cold start noise reduction on, exhaust stop always open. I already have the fuse pulled on it, so it's always open anyways. High pressure fuel pump installed, OEM TU, injector stock, sport cooling off. I think that should be it. So, map right. Alright guys, so let's test out how it feels now after the MHD Stage 2 high pressure fuel pump tune. Put in Sport Plus. It's a little wet out, probably not going to go too crazy, but definitely feels better. You can also see the gauges go up to 560 now instead of 480 on just regular Stage 2. I did have some technical difficulties at first when I first flashed it. I had a bunch of timing correction, so the car actually felt slower. I started recording and I realized that something felt wrong. It felt slower than just regular Stage 2, so I logged it all and looked at the logs and saw that it was pretty bad. So after doing some research, I saw that it said I should gap my plugs to 0.022 instead of the stock 0.030. So I did that and re-logged it all. It's like a week later. I've been messing with this thing, and the timing correction seemed to have fixed itself. So now everything's good, back to normal. Car's running healthy. pretty wet out, so I can't rip on it too much. The car feels a lot better, honestly, than just a stage 2. Maybe it was the plug issue the entire time, but I know I didn't feel a huge difference from stage 2. I mean, from stage 1 to stage 2. But I think stage 2 to stage 2 plus definitely feels a lot better. Let me know if you guys want some more POV clips when the weather's a little better. And actually get on it a little bit more. But yeah, guys, I think it's definitely worth it for the TU pump, even just on 93. Just make sure you get some good 93, because while I was logging everything, I did switch my 93. I went to a different gas station and it actually improved it as well. So there's a lot of little things you can do. Just make sure you're logging everything and make sure it's actually running healthy. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave you here. Thanks for watching. Comment below, subscribe please. Peace out.